subhanahu wa ta'ala says, I want you all to bear witness that I have forgiven all of these people. And some of the angels will then say, but Ya Allah, this person is not there because they came to remember you. They're there because their friends pulled them in. They're there because of some social gathering, some element other than that. It wasn't really just for the gathering or for the sincerity of that pursuit. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that this group of people, لا يشقى بهم جليسهم, that the one who sits amongst them will not be deprived. So even if someone had some other motive, or there was some other reason for them being in the gathering, in the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will cover the entire gathering and it won't exclude anyone from that gathering. And that's why I can't emphasize enough that as great as the online world is, and as wonderful as it is that you're able to consume this online and that we're able to communicate through these different means, that online viewing never beats on-site barakah. It never beats the blessing of us being together and having the angels surround us. And so wherever you have that opportunity, even if it's a local halaqah, even if you don't connect as much with the imam or the speaker, or you find that you benefit more for online, go for the sake of being in that barakah, being in that blessing and under the wings of those angels and being mentioned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and being forgiven. What are you going to learn that is going to give you a greater reward than that reward that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is promising you, whether it is the tranquility that comes into your heart as a result of it, or the reward that is recorded with Him that you see in paradise as a result of it.